Hi there, this is Dr. Sohail Akhtar. So today our lecture is about analysis of variance, particularly one-way analysis of variance. So for this purpose, once again, we will use Excel sheet to solve analysis of variance. This is quite easy. Most of people they use SPSS Minitape and so many other software, but Excel provide us a very quick way and easy way to solve these kind of problems. So let's consider an example over here. Sorry. This is the data which we received from a British Medical Journal. These are different level of hemoglobins of thalassemia patient. These are so we have received this data and we have three columns. We were asked to test the mean of these particular levels. So we can't use student distribution over here, or even we can't use standard normal distribution because they are not applicable whenever we test more than two population means. So we will set our null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. This is our null hypothesis. In this particular null hypothesis, we will state that all the means are equal. Mu1 is equal to mu2 is equal to mu3. Then our alternative hypothesis is not all means are equal. So let's test this. So this is our data, different hemoglobin levels of different patients. So we have to use analysis of variance technique to test whether is there any significant difference between these levels, population means. So first we will install data analysis, file, option, add in, go, analysis tool pack, and now we got data analysis over here. Click on data analysis. In this window, we will select the analysis of variance single factor. OK. Input range. Or we will place the input range. Enter. In my first row, I have labels over here, so that's why I will select this. The alpha level of significance is 0.00 or 0.05. We got over here. Now I will put the output range. So the output range, I will click this. I will press in here. I will press enter, and then I will click OK. So this is my result. Initially, you will receive the summary of the whole this problem. Hemoglobin levels, groups, their counts, sum, average, and variance of each group. Then this is the analysis of variance table. Here you will receive the source of variation between groups, between each hemoglobin levels, within them, and then the total sum of variation, then sum of square column, degree of freedom column, mean square column, F column, P value, and F calculated value. So the P value is so small and it's less than 0.05. So therefore, we will reject our null hypothesis and we will accept our alternative hypothesis, and we will conclude that there is significant difference between the population mean. So you can see from here as well. So this is basically our conclusion. And the p-value is less than 0.05. Therefore, we will reject the null hypothesis and we will accept the alternative hypothesis, and we will conclude that there is significant difference between population mean, or we will conclude that there is significant difference between the different hemoglobin levels. Thank you very much, my dear friends. Kindly subscribe our channel, and we will continue this series, and I will let you know how to use simple and difficult statistical problems through MS Excel. Then we will use Minitape, and then we will use SPSS. Later on, we will use R software and then Python. Thank you very much. See you again, inshallah, soon. Bye.